In this video, we are going to learn how we can create pivot table in same worksheet. Before we create pivot table in same worksheet, we have to keep in mind that we have to format the table. It is not compulsory to format the table, but there is an advantage to format the table. So to format the table, first click any cell where our data is there. So I am selecting A5 cell like this, then go to Home tab and in that go to Style section over here. And in that click to Format as Table. In that select the design as per our own requirement. I am selecting in medium this blue one. The moment we click design, new window has appeared. Now just click OK. The moment we click OK, new tab came and that tab name is Table Design over here. Click that Table Design tab like this and go to left hand side over here. Here we will get table name over here. Change that name. I am changing to sales data. Just don't leave space between alphabet. Now I will tell you why we have to do format as table. Big advantage of formatting as table is that as you prepare pivot table, but in any case, suppose we have to add certain row in the table or we have to delete certain row from the table. At that time, if our data is format as table, then it will reflect in our pivot table. And if our data is not format as table, then it will not reflect in pivot table. I will give you example after creating pivot table. As our data is format as table, now we will start to create pivot table in same worksheet. First select the single cell where we have to create pivot table. Suppose I am selecting J4 cell for creation of pivot table. This one. After we click to J4 cell, then click to insert over here. Then go to left hand side to table section over here. And in that click to pivot table and in that click to table/range. As we click to table/range option, one new window will appear in front of us. First it says table/range. It means we have to select entire data range. For that, first click to A4 cell like this, then press Ctrl A. As we press Ctrl A, it will select entire range and we can see it give name sales data over here because this is the name we have given to this table. After that, click to existing worksheet because we are creating pivot table in the same worksheet. Next thing we have to fulfill is location over here. In location, it means where we have to create our pivot table. In this case, we want to create in J4 cell. So we have already selected J4 cell. After completing all this detail, click OK. The moment we click OK, we will get three things. One, pivot table analyze and design tab over here. Second, pivot table field in the right hand side over here. Third one is pivot table beginning table over here. Now we have to just drag and drop the field we want in the respected box. In row label, we will drag month like this. In column label, we will drag type like this. And in between row and column label, there will be value. So we will drag sales in value like this. So like this, our pivot table is ready in same worksheet. As in the middle of the video, I have told you about advantage of format as table. Like if we add or delete data, it will reflect in pivot table. But if data is format as table, then only. As pivot table is prepared, now I will give you one example. Amount of December month and for ice cream product is 144,627.50 over here. Now we will go to last row of this data over here, and we will select the entire last row by pressing Ctrl C like this, and then I will paste it below that row. For that I will press Ctrl V like this. After adding row, go to pivot table over here and do right click. We will get many options. In that, click to refresh like this. The moment we click to refresh, amount of ice cream in December month is changed from 144,627.50 to 147,650.10 over here. So like this, it affects pivot table when we add or delete rows. So do some practice of creating pivot table in same worksheet in your Excel workbook, and I will see you in next video.